Are you experiencing frequent sleeping problems or easily stressed out due to lack of good sleep? Watch out. It can lead to depression, mental illness, and serious health issues. Why not get quality sleep with ultra comfort, superior support, and highly durable foam latex mattresses from Sarvadha, part of Rixonland, that has been offering sound sleep for the past 4 decades. Our 100% natural latex mattresses easily adjust to your body weight, offer soft, pleasant sinking feeling that is followed by comfortable, firm support, longer lifetime, and excellent body pressure support, ensuring your neck, shoulders, and spine are correctly aligned when you sleep with free airflow. Our latex mattresses come with pin core holes, making them super flexible and do not lose shape even after years of use. We totally have 7 varieties of mattresses in foam to suit your purpose and comfort with respect to the budget and size that you plan for. You can also find synthetic latex mattresses for the price you want, but not as comfortable and durable as foam latex mattresses. Visit our showroom today for the comfort you'll definitely love.